Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. I am wearing no makeup right now, but it's because we are doing something different today. So I've decided to re-sign up for BoxyCharm and I finally got my first BoxyCharms, which took forever. So I'm gonna be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you wanna see what I got in my BoxyCharm, keep on watching.
Oh, I shouldn't love you, but I might. They taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bitter.
Okay guys, so I signed up for BoxyCharm again in December, and as you know, it is January 13th. It's probably gonna be January 14th or 15th when you see this, so I'm not sure what day I'm uploading this. But anyways, we're gonna get into these BoxyCharms. I received my December one and January boxes on the same day. Now I also signed up for the base box and the premium box, and I got my December and January base boxes, but I still have not gotten my December and January premium boxes. So I don't know how their delivery system or logic works, but that's what I've experienced so far. But anyways, I have two fun boxes here that I can unbox with you guys so we can see what's inside. Now I'm going to do the December one first, which I believe is this one here. So we're going to see what's inside this box. Now I did get a preview from what was inside these boxes because they give you kind of like a preview of what you're going to get. And I've also seen other internet people do their unboxings. Anyways, there's a little card right here, BoxyCharm Bubbles and Glitz. So in this box, it pretty much tells you everything that's on here, and it gives you the retail price. So I'm gonna go through it. And first, we have this Artist Couture Caliente palette. This retails for $30, and it looks like this on the inside. This is super cute. I do love Artist Couture, some of their loose, what are these called? Loose highlighters. So I'm very interested to try this. Or actually, I might keep this and give this to my niece because I do have a lot of these colors. And I do like the component. I did see on, was it Kathleen Lights' BoxyCharm unboxing, that she showed this, oh no, it was Laura Lee. Somebody. They showed this palette for the BoxyCharm edition, the regular, and there is a difference in the palette. So I wonder if it's like made differently for the BoxyCharm. And also it came in no box and my palette's pretty scratched up. So there's that. But yeah, it is heavily discounted. Next, we got some lashes. These are Glamnetic Baby Girl lashes. These retail for $63. Is that for real? Like for real, for real? Anyways, they look like nice lashes. They are magnetic and they do come with the liquid liner inside. $63? They must be smoking something. They're smoking something. Okay, next one. LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I do like LMS and this retails for $49. So this skincare is less expensive than those lashes. Okay, so I will try this. This looks really interesting. It's a Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. Ingredients look pretty good. So I'll let you guys know how this works out for me. Next, we have a MAC Cosmetics Lustre Lipstick, and this is in the shade Plumful. It's a beautiful lipstick. I do like MAC's formula for these, and this is what it looks like. It's a bullet lipstick. Super cute. I'm not gonna swatch it because I really don't know if I'm gonna keep this or give it to somebody. I might use some of this stuff for giveaways. Since I do own my own cosmetics brand, it would be a waste if I use something once and never used it again. So I'm not gonna swatch it right now because I haven't decided whether I'm gonna keep or do giveaway or give it to one of my family members or friends. Oh, this is really cool. This I'll definitely use. This is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser. I do have the actual makeup eraser and I do like that product. So it'd be fun to try this out. I'm actually gonna open this because it comes with like a little cage for your sponge. Okay, so here's the little cage and here's your little sponge. So what you do is you put it in the little cage and you can put this in the washer or wherever and have it clean. Yeah, that's exactly what you do. So you put it in your washing machine and then you dry it in the little cage, which is really cool. And then the last thing we have is the Glamnetic liquid magnetic liner comes separate from the lashes. I thought it was in the box, but it comes separate. So the two things together retail for $63. That's still crazy. But anyways, they come like that. Okay, let's go into the next box. It is worth it. It was only $25 for all this stuff. And if you add all those things that I just showed you together, you get way more than what you paid for. Okie dokie, box number 2, which is for January, I believe. We have our little card. This one's called the Fresh Start box, which is perfect for the new year. Okay, so first on our list, we had the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. That's so cute. $34 retail, and it looks like this. I do love Violet Voss. I have one of the bigger palettes, and the eyeshadows are always really pigmented, really beautiful. I love green. I don't necessarily love green on my eyes, but green is my favorite color. So this is what the palette looks like. This one does come with a box. Oh my God, those shades are stunning. This center section, that's like everything my life is about. I know it's a little basic, but so am I. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look at that, look at that. I love it. Cute, cute palette. So $34. I would definitely spend the money on that. Next, we have the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. I love this brand, and I am pretty sure this is gonna be amazing. I've been dying to try this BHA stuff for like to clean your pores and stuff like that. I heard it's really good for blackheads. Looks like this. You get a ton of toner. And this retails for $28. I'm definitely excited to try that. Okay, next we have the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I've never tried Pure's face products. I've tried some of their eyeshadows, which I do like. And I'm interested to see how this works out and if they matched me right. Let's swatch some on my face so we can see if it's gonna be close enough. Oh yeah, not bad. I don't know how they figured my shade, but that's pretty dang close. And it feels really nice on the skin. So I'll let you guys know what I think about this when I do like full wear. I like tinted moisturizers for every day because as you've seen in my videos, the makeup I usually do for a photo is very heavy. And if I wear that on a regular daily basis, I will get like all kinds of creasiness and all that stuff. It's more for like photography and video kind of makeup. And I like to use tinted moisturizers and lighter stuff for everyday makeup. So that's really nice. I'm definitely gonna use that. Next on our little card list is the Seraphin Botanical Apple Plus Balmy Glow Lip Mask. Man, that's a mouthful. But it's this lip mask right here. It's called a Glow Lip Mask. It's vegan, no mineral oils, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, no shea butter. Oh, with shea butter, sorry. Apricot jojoba oil, rose hip oil, which is wonderful. Actually, our new liquid lipstick formula. So if you watch my last little liquid lipstick video where I previewed the new liquid lipsticks, they have rose hip oil. Green apples, pineapple, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic. So wonderful. I'm gonna try this out. It's a before bedtime lip mask, and I could really use this because I've been dry and I really need it. So I like that. $25 retail. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the tinted moisturizer was $35. Okay, then last but not least in this box is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Beauty, wait, sorry. Okay, sorry. Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss. And then it says unprofessional. I'm guessing that's the shade. I'm a hot mess. Okay, this is a little lip gloss. You can never have too many lip glosses. So I'll definitely be using this. This box is definitely more for me. Oh wait, maybe I won't be using this. That is a bright ass pink color. Okay, so I'll save this for my niece or my sister because not for me. Okie dokie. So that is the end of the January box. Let me know if you want me to actually try any of this stuff. I do really want to try all this skincare. Skincare is my big thing. And then I also really want to try this pure 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. Also, I'll be doing more of these BoxyCharm unboxings for you in the future. Whatever you guys want, I will do for you. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me in this video today. I had a lot of fun unboxing this for you guys. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so big.